Hi everyone, welcome to SEWTECH TV. I'm Claire, your embroidery training assistant. In today's video, we will show you how to do regular maintenance on your SEWTECH ST-1501 embroidery machine. Regular maintenance is very important to keep the machine running smoothly and stably. Proper lubrication helps reduce wear and extends the life of the machine. Before we start maintenance, let's go over the materials and the tools we'll use. We use two types of lubricants, soy oil and grease. This oiling pan comes with the machine, and the oil itself is not included. You can easily find the sewing oil on the market. For the grease, we recommend using mobile grease. We also prepare a small brush to apply the grease. Also, we prepare another brush to remove thread, lint, or dust. Before maintenance, please turn off the machine. First, we'll do oil maintenance. There are 6 areas to oil: the rotary hook, the rotary hook bearing, the little bar, the first side hole, the second side hole, and the metal rods inside here. We'll show you one by one. First, let's oil the rotary hook. Open the bobbin cover and take out the bobbin. If you see any thread or lint inside, use a brush to clean it. Then here, apply 1 or 2 drops of oil. If you use the machine every day, we recommend oiling it daily, once at the end of your workday. Now let's oil the rotary hook shaft. Add 2 drops of oil here. Do this once a week. Next, let's add oil on the needle bar part here. Add 2 drops of oil into any 3 of these little bar slots. Here, I'm oiling the right, the middle, and the left. Let the oiling pan go inside from here in this way. Add 2 drops. Then the middle. Then the left. Now it's finished. Do this process once a week. Next, let's oil this hole. Add 10 drops of oil to this hole. Do it once a week. Now, let's oil this hole. Add 5 drops of oil to this hole. Do it once a week. Turn this knob counterclockwise. You'll see the machine head move to the left. Add 2 drops of oil on each metal rod. The first metal rod, then the second metal rod. Do this once a week. Now that we have finished the oiling points, let's continue with the grease maintenance. The grease should be applied every 2 weeks. Lubricate the rail with grease, here, using a brush. Then turn the knob clockwise. You will see the machine head move to the right. Then we can lubricate the left side of the rail. Do this rail maintenance once every 2 weeks. Next, let's apply grease to the color change mechanism. We'll grease the cam follower rollers first, then the cam wheel. First, use a brush to apply a thin coat of grease to the rollers here. Grease them one by one. Next, turn the black knob counterclockwise to move the machine head to the other side. Now, apply a thin coat of grease to the cam follower rollers on this side as well. After both sides are done, apply grease to the cam wheel itself, along the contact surface, where it touches the rollers. Once finished, rotate the knob a few turns to help spread the grease evenly. Do this maintenance once every 2 weeks. Now, let's lubricate the rails here, the two rails on both sides. Apply a thin coat of grease to the rails using your finger or using a brush. Here we'll use a brush. Use the brush to apply the grease. Then apply the grease on the rail. Now we apply the grease on the left rail. Repeat this process every 2 weeks. Next, let's lubricate the inner groove of the cab driver. It's also the rear of this part. Now, we apply grease along the entire groove using a brush. You can rotate this part to spread it evenly. Do this maintenance once every 2 weeks. Next, let's clean under the rotary hook cover. First, we'll use this tool to open the rotary hook cover. Take out the screw, then open the rotary hook cover. Check inside for any loose threads or lint. Use tweezers to pull out any thread pieces carefully. If there's any remaining lint, use a brush to sweep it out, like this way. Once it's clean, close the cover. Do this maintenance once a week. Next, let's clean the thread paste grooves. Check the thread paste and the thread grooves. If you see any lint, fuzz, or build up, remove it. Use a brush to clean the grooves, especially in the tight collars. This helps keep the thread running smoothly. Do this maintenance once a week.
Next, let's talk about needle maintenance. To keep your stitching smoothly, we recommend changing needles regularly, especially you see skipped stitches or the needle feels dull. Just replace it for a new one. After finishing all the maintenance, we can turn on the machine.
Tap this button and tap here. You may see a warning, and the needle number may display 0. Don't worry, this happens because the knob was turned during maintenance. Slowly turn the black knob and watch the needle number change, like this. Once it shows any normal needle number highlighted, you are ready to continue. Just make sure it's not 0, and any number highlighted is okay. Then tap this button to help the machine position the correct needle number. And now the warning will disappear.
Maintaining your SEWTECH machine is easy. If you follow these tips, your machine will run smoothly and last longer. And that's all for today's video on SEWTECH ST-1501 machine maintenance. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share this video. See you next time!